Hi, Tracy Lewis from Stuff and Things. I got my planner last week, the new one, and I've already got a home for my retired planner. It still has lots of miles left in it. So I'm going to get this opened. It took a week before I had free time to work on this. I had lots of other projects going on. As I've said before, I'm kind of a planner nut. I really love using them. Thought in retirement I would not use them, and now I'm back to using one again to keep my Stampin' Up! Life organized. My mom asked me the other day, what kinds of things do you put in there? Don't you put everything in your phone? And I actually don't put everything in my phone. I don't put goals in my phone. I put some appointments, but not everything, and I do not have easy access to all of the birthdays, which are in my contacts list, but they're not on a calendar in my phone. So let's just see what we have here. So we have, it's covered with little silver flowers. It's a light, soft peach color with, it looks like a calypso coral trim. I've only put one of these together, so I will get to do all of this again. This one thing the other planner did not have that I'm very excited that this planner has is a keeper for my pencil. I have a very old Silver Cross pencil that I've had since high school, and that was many, many moons ago. I don't know how, with everything that's happened over the years, I still have it, but I do. And I'd made a place for it to stay in my other planner, but I love the fact that it first off, my other planner had gold trim. This planner is silver, so that's going to be nice. And then it can hang out right here, and it looks like it stays. So let's look at the setup here. We have pockets on both sides. Stickers, more stickers, more stickers. Awesome. These are all the weeklies. Oh, and I see more stickers. A whole bunch of pretty silver stickers, 2 sheets of them. And it's probably set up somewhat backwards from, so here we have for January half of the monthly, so they did it a little different this year. January's monthly is on the heavy card that has the January. Before, the inside was just decorated. So let's see, these are all the note sheets. So right here are a bunch of note sheets. Those are the ones that will go all by themselves. And so what they did is doubled up your notes. So instead of a single page of notes, and I actually like the notes to summarize what was accomplished. So we have, I believe there's going to be 12 of these if I counted them. I believe there's 12 of those. So then we have our weeklies. And on the weeklies, you're going to have the other half of the months on the first 12 of them. So let's see here if the dividing. So January is going to have the other half like so. And when you fold it, you start your first half of the week. And then here's a whole bunch of weeklies. So this is week 1, That's interesting. That is not what I expected. That must be one. There are quite a few of these. Interesting. So I'm going to keep that pile separate. Now I'm going to do week 1. Keep seeing those. There we go. Week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, and then this would be the last one for each month. So I'm going to go ahead and divide all of these. And we're almost done. Okay. I will put it in backwards. And then in the end here are notes. And I had gone ahead and put a note sheet in for every month, but you could probably also have the note sheets at the very end to summarize each month. So I will have to contemplate which way I would rather put my notes. Alright, so we're back in starting July. Alright, so now I did not keep my stickers in my last book. And then when we had the accident, I lost all of my stickers. So that is my lesson to you all. Keep everything together if you can. So let's see if I have enough room to just leave these stickers. I ended up making it too fat because I added a stamp set and my washi tape to the old book. So I'm going to have to play with the space available here and see how I can fit the different parts. So I had these, and this actually came with last year's book and doesn't come with this year's book. I'm going to just put this right in here. And then I had all of my little masks from last year. And I will make a mask keeper for the front. And then this was my bigger mask for decorating. Let's see what else I have. A generic to do. I'm going to keep right here. And that should be my planner for this year. One of the other things I was looking at, so this is the washi tape that comes with it. It came last year with no washi tape, so this is great. And then I used some thin washi tape to break my weeks apart. And the black washi tape is what I started with from Stampin' Up! And I may go ahead and order that again to separate the months, or the weeks here, into smaller quadrants. I liked my weeks separated like that. So I will probably continue that this year. That concludes the putting together of this year's new planner. That is called the Big Plans Planner Kit. Let's get rid of those. I hope you found this helpful and interesting, and thanks for watching.